Yes, we got it. Back. Come. Go to the.
So, Kalpita, Mitra, and Krishna, I need help.
Okay.
Like, we need two contents. It's over here. And the Ambola coins, checkers, and the blue color coins, and the color coins. Yes. Ambola coins, Ambola coins, right here. Put it in a separate box or something. Chart 1, chart 2, chart 3. So, Kiran,
Sir.
are you ready with your vision board?
Yes, sir.
So, Prisha is doing tomorrow. Vedavarsan has asked for time. Pranav is also doing tomorrow. Balaji, what about you? We are not hearing you properly.
I will also do it tomorrow, sir.
Why were you not ready today?
I prepared a spreadsheet, files, and I prepared tomorrow.
So, you have seen the discipline of the boys and girls and the responsibilities given. That's not very well. ஒரு வேலையை கொடுத்து 4 நாள் கொடுத்தா ஷார்ட் 1, ஷார்ட் 2, ஷார்ட் 3, ஷார்ட் 4 4 பேர் தான் ரெடி ஆகிடும். And this bottle with care. அதெல்லாம் plastic ஒன்று மட்டும் glass, not the handle. I'll tell you what you're supposed to do. Okay, so today is Jan 25th, 2021. Before I formally start, it is not my practice to speak about the absentees to the people who have come for the class, but I just want all of you people to know that I sincerely appreciate every single person who has come for the session today after the 5 days break. Not 5 days, 4 days break actually. Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday break. So I knew this sort of thing will happen because whenever you give a very important work and you give some time, this is the kind of stupid attitude I dislike in students. Only 3 or 4 people were exempted. Like, no. Only 3 or 4 people were exempted. The exempted people were Mitra, Vedavarsan, and Brinda. Brinda She is attending on Thursday and she will make presentation on Thursday. And Mitra was along with me for the prayer, so I'm giving some time exemption for her. And Vedavishan, we all know what is the reason he is being exempted for. Except these three people. Except these three people, nobody was exempted for any reason whatsoever. But as you could see, most of the people are absent today, attributing to some reason, and they have not completed their vision boards. I have Kiran's vision board ready, number 1. I have Prabhu Aditya's vision board ready, number 2. Navalan's vision board ready, number 3. Kirtana's vision board ready, number 4. And Kalpita's vision board ready, number 5. 5 vision boards in the place of almost about 14 or 15 vision boards to be submitted. So this is the clause of seriousness these jokers give to the MS evening sessions. Having said that, I appreciate Kalpita, Kirtana, Navalan, Prabhu Aditya and Kiran Nandita for being so sincere in preparing the vision board on the very first day.
Thank you, sir. Well done, friends.
So the credit points are not going to be given for those people who are presenting beyond Tuesday. Yes, if they are presenting on Tuesday, they get credit points. But the people who are presenting today, Mitra and Vedavishan, if you are presenting on the 3rd day or 2nd day or 4th day, still you are getting the credit points. But for the other people who have not managed to present on the first day, I don't think you will get the credit points as these 5 members will get. Maybe Mohammed Anas can be excused because this is the first time he is attending, he wants to see the glimpse of it and then he will make a presentation. But for the people who have not managed to come and people who have just like that informed that I will be late, I am not able to attend the class, I got cold, I got hit on my head, I got hit on my knee, இந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸ்கியூஸ்லாம் கொடுத்துட்டு வீட்டில் உட்காந்துருக்கவங்களுக்கு credit points சத்தியமாக கிடையாது. So that's how it is. So let me not waste time because speaking about the absentees in front of the present people is the most foolish aspect and it is a disrespect given for the sincere people who have come. So having said that, let us start the proceedings. Come on, happy birthday.
Happy birthday now.
Thank you.
So we'll start the proceedings.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
So we'll start the
Happy
proceedings.
birthday now.
Thanks.
So we will start the proceedings. The person who is making the presentation here will carry the vision board. And the person can explain it on a very relaxed mode. And this is the scoreboard for the person. And the other people can give the merits. Okay, let's say for example, there are 4 merits. I mean 1, 2, 3. There are 4 merits you can give. Okay, so this blue coin is the most important key on. And the online members, you can tell me how many coins you are giving on each. Let me explain very clearly to everybody what does because I am giving trainer's cut merit for the vision board presentation, while the people who are listening, they will give their own evaluation, appreciation, the token of appreciation. This blue color coin represents the depth of the vision board. Depth of the vision board. When I say depth of the vision board, what I actually mean is it is acceptable, it is achievable, and it is gettable. And it has got the biggest depth. And the depth அப்படிங்கிறது அதில் நிறைய இருக்கு. கண்டிப்பாக இது வந்து சாத்தியமான விஷயம் தான் அப்படின்னு அந்த விஷன் போர்டு உங்களுக்கு சொல்ல வச்சது யோசிக்க வச்சதுன்னா you can give this coin. You can give as many number of coins you want because each coin will have 10 points. And if you give 5 blue, the person gets 50. It is not restricted to 100 or something. Okay, right? அதுக்காக சும்மா be realistic. Okay, ஒருத்தர் மேலே அஃபெக்ஷனேட்டாக இருக்கீங்கிறதுக்கு அப்படியே குட்டியெல்லாம் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்காரு. Be as much realistic as possible. Okay, right? So maximum ஒரு 80 வரைக்கும் ஒரு ஃபீச்சரில் நீங்கள் கொடுக்கலாம். 100 out of 100, that's a joke. That's a myth. 100 out of 100 பெர்ஃபெக்ட்ங்கிறது உலகத்தில் கிடையாது. யாருக்குமே அதை கொடுக்கக்கூடாது. It's my opinion. So ஒரு 80 வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் மேக்ஸிமம் கொடுக்கலாம். இல்லை நான் 90 தான் கொடுப்பேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா that will not be taken. I will not take it. So max 8. So blue coin represents depth of the vision board. The color coins, we have colors like green, red, yellow, green, blue and all that. So this is their basic communication skills and presentation. அவங்க எப்படி பேசுறாங்க, communicate எப்படி பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. Everybody is going to make a presentation. Not only the vision board carriers, other people are also going to come. Okay? So Siddhyadithan, Kavinraj, Nitin, Anas, Hafiz, இவங்க எல்லாம் vision board இல்லாதவங்க. So அவங்களும் வந்து present பண்ணாங்க. Mitra will also make presentation. So the communication skill and presentation ability, how depthfully they are making a presentation அப்படிங்கிறது, it is represented by the color card. This is my personal favorite. I always look for this. Positive body language. When you are making a presentation, how effectively you are doing. The checkers coin, positive body language. So you need 80 வரைக்கும் கொண்டு போகணும். Okay. Last but by no means the least, the Chambola coin. So the purple color coin you give for the person for one last feature, and இது வந்து presentation இல்லாதனால, it's not an ordinary presentation, so it's not time bound, but there is one thing that is considered to be a very domineering fact here, that is self motivation. இப்போ ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ண சொன்னாங்க, நான் 2 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி பண்ணியிருக்கேன், இப்போ மறுபடியும் பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா எனக்கு தெளிவாக தெரிஞ்சு. Couple of people here are presenting the vision board for the second time, like Nagalan is presenting for the second or third time, Kalpita is presenting first time, Kirtana has already presented once, so she is also doing second, Prabhu is presenting for the first time. So on the self motivation in everything. So for that, the Tombola coins. Online team, you can give the coins according to the observation that you have. இங்கே யாருமே என்ன தவிர பேனல் மெம்பர்ஸ் கிடையாது. அதனால் கொஸ்டின் கேட்கும்போது கொஸ்டின் வேலிடாக இருந்தால் மட்டும் கொஸ்டின் கேளுங்க. அவங்கள டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி அது எப்படி இது சாத்தியம் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி தான் யாரையும் இன்சல்ட் பண்ணிடக்கூடாது. Everything that is written on the vision board, every picture that is pasted on the vision board is that person's desire. Nobody has got the right here to ask the question about the desire of the person. But அதை வேலிடேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு கான்ட்ரிபியூட்டிங்காக பாயிண்ட்ஸ் இருந்தால் மட்டும் நீங்கள் கேட்கணும். So question session is very much about. நீங்கள் விஷன் போர்டில் எழுதியிருக்கிற ஒரு விஷயம், it is having life, but it will get maximum life when a question is asked and if you are trying to give the answer to it. So again, blue coin, depth of the vision board, multi-color coin, depth of the communication and their presentation skill, checkers, positive body language, and the purple color small coins is for self-motivation. So maximum 400. Yeah. So what 400 is 84, 240, 250 is the score that person can get. எல்லாத்தையுமே 80 அப்படின்னா கொடுக்கறதுக்கு பதிலாக கொஞ்சம் யோசிச்சு கரெக்டாக பண்ணுங்க. எனக்கு கொடுக்க வேண்டிய கட் நான் தனியாக கொடுத்துருக்கேன். This is your cut, students and listeners cut, and this is mine. Okay. So this is yours, this is mine.
Sir, about sir.
Yeah.
Sir, each of us we will be able to give our individual evaluations, sir. Out of 80 which you mentioned, or we have to discuss at the end?
No, we will not be having sufficient coin for individual evaluation. You can have a quick team talk or something. Open team talk over. Open team talk எதுக்கு நீங்க சொல்றத நான் இங்க fill பண்ணுவேன். Or send a representative and fill. Or I'll do it. Okay? So you should have a proper team talk before an evaluation is being made. So that's notice. அப்படி வச்சுக்கிறீங்களா?
Okay, sir.
இல்ல each of you giving 2 or 3 coins அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. Each 2 or 3 அந்த மாதிரி வச்சுக்கலாமா?
11 of us here, sir.
So here you are 11 and there 4 1 2 3 4 yeah 15 members. So 15 members சரி கொடுங்க பார்க்கலாம் எப்படி போகுதுன்னு சொல்லி பார்க்கலாம். Okay, right? So each of you very quickly, so நீங்கள் டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டு எனக்கு கரெக்டாக சொல்லணும். ப்ளீஸ் மேக் ஷுர் கரெக்டாக எவாலுவேட் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்கள். எழுதி கூட வச்சுக்கோங்க. when a person is doing okay, na blue coin இவ்வளவு கொடுக்க போறேன், இப்படி கொடுக்க போறேன் எழுதி கூட வச்சுக்கங்க, and then use. Ready? So, Kalpita was the first person to step inside the hall as a vision board, as a vision board carrier today. So, I would like to call Kalpita to make her vision board presentation.
All the best, sir.
I'll first show a tandem of this to them. So have a glimpse, and Kalpita will make a complete explanation about this, and I am going to hold the chart paper of the presenters so that everybody takes a good listen.
Okay, sir.
You can start, Kalpita. Alright, so the first ever presentation of Vision Board 2021 is done by Kalpita Sri. 3, 2, 1, go.
Good evening everyone. So here I have some things written on my vision board which I am going to explain it now. I'm going to start it with 2021 goals. First I have pasted my academic goals. So my academic goal for 2021 is to have a decent score in public examinations. For the work I have done, I want the right mark. It is not that I want above 490 or 495. I want the mark I actually deserve it. So for that, first thing is I should not be distracted by any things around me. Basically, I'll be not distracted whatever it actually is, but still I'm getting more conscious when it comes to my public examination. So I think I should not be distracted. Then it is not that I have to always be thinking of my school and my academics. So I want a little fun added to my the whole year. So I have pasted remember to have fun, and then make it simple but significant. As I already said, I should not always think of my studies. It have to be done when it is actually said to be done. So I have pasted this, and I have to help others. Help others in the sense, in 2021, I have to help those my friends who want notes from me, and who want to know chapters more even clearer. So I have pasted to help others. Work hard in silence, like success makes the noise. It's not that I have to say always that I have completed 12 chapters, 13 chapters. Until my public examination is getting over, or my all other examination is getting over, I think I should not boast myself that I have completed these chapters. So I have pasted that one. And then I have to organize my study space. Though it is good, I want it to be more calmer and peacer. So I have pasted the study space. Then I have this year I have planned to celebrate my birthday by donating to IDF, that is Indian Dreams Foundation. I have started investing, and I have separated my savings to IDF. I have to help. I got.
Super calm.
Thank you, Kiran. I got inspired from my brother. His birthday is on Jan 24 yesterday, and IDF's foundation was found and discovered in 2004 Jan 24, and that's why he started investing his own money. So I also wanted to invest and give my personal donation to this, and I have started saving. Then happiness comes from within. Enjoy the work whatever you are doing. Be passionate towards this, and try to add more fun on whatever you do. So I have pasted that one. Now next it is being honest. Whatever the work might be, you have to be honest and be sincere in whatever you are doing. So I wanted to be sincere and honest in whatever I am doing. So I have pasted that. then it is not that you have to give your opinion in all your problems, in all the problems around you. So give your opinions and be calm, passionate, silent. So I have pasted power talk, girl power talk. Then after 10 years it is 2031 and I will be 25 years old. I have pasted a lot of things about my own personal growth. I have to be even more kinder. Sometimes people around me says I am arrogant and rude, so I have to even they say me itself as arrogant and rude. So I want to change.
That's a very big surprising fact.
So I want to change all those. So I have to be even more kinder and humble to all the people, sir. I should not say no to the people who ask help to me. Then in 2031, when I'm 25 years old, I'll be planning to start my NGO, non-profitable government organization, sir. This also I got inspired by IDF, sir, Indian Children's Dream Foundation, sir. I have to empower all those people who are privileged, sir. So I have planned to start my own NGO, sir. I think it will be possible, sir, and I'm sure that I will work for it, sir. So I have pasted NGO at the center, sir.
Right.
Then I feel I have to spread positivity wherever I am, and I have to keep smiling all through the day, and I have to be the reason for someone's happiness. So I have pasted a lot of smileys all over, sir.
Right.
Then it is green for all the youngsters to explore the world. So such that I have pasted few of my favorite places, Paris. Then and I want to go for a long road trip, Ladakh. Then Maldives. I have a lot of places in the list, but I don't have place in the charts, sir.
So Paris, Ladakh, and what
Maldives,
else? Maldives. Okay.
I have not pasted Maldives, sir, but Ladakh and Paris is my dream places.
What attracted Ladakh?
Sir, the waves, the glaciers, the mountains, its nature, sir. So and especially I want to go in bikes, sir. So
Right. Okay.
then I have to learn a new language, sir, and I'm obsessed with learning Spanish. A lot of people, it is one of the most spoken language, sir, and I'm attracted to learn Spanish, sir. And I have planned to learn a new culture, sir. New culture of India, in India itself, sir. Like we know a few of the culture of Tamil Nadu, sir. Likewise, I want to know more culture about other states also, sir. And one more dream is to spend time with tribes, sir. 2 or 3 days with tribes, sir. I want to know what actually they are.
What specifically triggered your mind to get into the life of tribes? And when did you actually get this kind of an inclination that you should be exploring what their life is all about?
So I think it was about 2 or 3 years ago, sir, when we were in Valpari Hills, sir. We saw a lot of tribes, sir, and we were not able to understand their language, sir. So I want to get into their life and know what they actually are, sir. They looked into us like something else, sir. So I want to know what they actually think about us, sir, and I want to go and explore that place also, sir.
Right. Okay.
Then one more goal, sir. It is not a goal, sir, but like an exploration, sir. I want to explore the radio stations. So what actually it is in radio station, and I want to be trained to be an RJ, sir. It is not my profession, sir. I am not going to choose that as my profession, sir. But I have to know what RJs are, sir. So I have pasted an girl RJ there.
Okay.
Then getting organized is a sign of self-respect, sir. I have to be organized, sir, both personally, sir, my character, sir, and the place where I live also, it should be organized, sir. So I have pasted that one, sir. And I have to have a good health all through, sir, and so I work towards it. And I want myself to be fit all through and not being diseased. So I have pasted good health here and there, sir.
Right. Okay.
As I already said, I have to be the reason for someone's smile today. So I have pasted that one, sir.
Right.
And then one thing I one weakness I have is I'm short-tempered, so I want to work on my patience, sir. So I have pasted patience there, sir.
Okay.
Then I have to be dedicated in all the work I do. So I have pasted dedication there, sir.
And what is the reason for this Legend Born sticker?
So that is the book, sir. Book I have to explore this year, sir. The Legend Born, and sometimes I like by Alice Feeney, sir. This book is I got attracted to this book when I started when Amazon Kindle recommended it, sir. I downloaded it and went through few of the pages. Sir, the introduction was so good, sir. The author said about herself, like she is in coma and nobody likes her around. So I wanted to go through that book. So it is a psychological thriller, sir. I like thrillers, sir. And when it comes a psychological thriller, I thought why not I can read that one, sir.
And Kalpita in her vision board has got a multiplexed, completely furnished, state-of-the-art living room. So,
Yes, sir.
explain about this picture. Why does your mind think that this kind of a room has to be posted in your vision board?
Sir, I got only this picture, sir, because my chart was full, sir. It actually represents that I want to have my own house, sir. I think it will be possible when I'm 26 or 28, sir, but for 10 years I have pasted one room, sir. So I think it should be of my own space, sir, and everything should be of my own investment, and I have to be free at, I have to be independently, financially free at 25, sir. So I have pasted that one, sir.
Beautiful.
Yes.
And yeah, please go ahead.
And the one more goal I have in 10 years, I have to start my restaurant, sir. It was a dream of my father, sir. It was his goal, sir. But he went in an opposite. He's an engineer now, sir, software engineer, sir. So I also want to start a restaurant, sir. And my sister cooks very well, sir. So it is one of yes, sir. It is one of her dream also, sir. So I thought it would be nice if I start a restaurant and have it as my business, sir. Then I have to work hard all through, sir, and I have to explore things, sir. It is, and I don't want to collect things, sir, but I want to collect some experiences and have some experience in all through my life, sir. So I have tested collect experience, sir. That's it.
Right, so wonderful.
Very well done, sir.
Thank you.
Good job, Kalpita. Good job.
Thank you.
Amazing job, Akka.
Thank you, Kiran.
So I would seek the help of Mitra as and when people are making the vision board presentation. Mitra will post the picture of the vision board inside the group. So you will have to now narrate that is post Kalpita's vision board's picture presented from 5:30 to 5:45. Now time is not essential. The first presentation number 1 Kalpita Akka and put this as அப்படி ஒவ்வொருத்தர் வரும்போது நீ ஒரு லைவ் ஃபீடிங் குரூப்பில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன்.
Okay, sir.
I have put the picture, 2 picture எடுத்துருக்கேன், எது பெஸ்ட்டோ அதை பார்த்து. So we'll let Mitra do that work, and with that, before we go for the evaluation, my dear boys and girls, fantastic
Thank you, sir.
vision board. It was not only inside your occupation, it was also covering up all the origins of your expectation in this coming decade. And we only pray and we really hope and we really believe that all these things will happen in your life. Sure, it will happen.
Thank you, sir.
So people, the question session is open. You can ask questions if you have any questions for Kalpita. I have 2 questions. I'll reserve those 2 questions as the last one after you all finish. Online team members and direct members, you can ask any questions to Kalpita if you have, in accordance with the presentation she had made about the vision board. So this is for the notice of Kiran, Prisha, Balaji, Vedavashan and Pranav. So, do you guys have any questions? Yeah, Naval.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes.
Vashan, you will start first and then Naval continues. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So, Kalpita mentioned there was nice presentation, Kalpita. There was nice vision for 2021. And you mentioned that you have a dream of going to Ladakh. that too bike, right? So most of the accidents caused by bike are increasing.